It's a vibe. I'm Alice, and my style is colourful, a little bit vintagey, and definitely not subtle. But I've decided it's time to switch things up a little bit, and I've found some of Scotland's most stylish people to help me do so. Today, I'm meeting with Dundee influencer Kit, also known as Gutterbratz online. Clearly, Kit's style is very different to mine. I mean, I literally never wear all black. So I'm really excited to see what she can teach me about style, and for her to turn me into alternative Alice. Hi Kit, I am so excited to meet you. Your style is a vibe. How would you describe it?
The best way to describe my style is probably a mix of goblincore, scene kid, emo, Avril Lavigne, skater punk from the 2000s.
Have you always dressed this way?
Oh no, absolutely not. I've always been alternative, definitely more on the alternative end of things. When I was younger, it was more of your Tumblr, grunge sort of look. Then I went into my sort of normie phase, and now whatever this has happened over COVID, this is what I am now.
What would be your advice to people that maybe want to dress in a similar look but are worried about what people will say?
Start accessorizing, just little touches to your outfits to make it a wee bit more extravagant. Makes it easier to kind of take that leap into doing something like dyeing your hair a bright colour, or wearing something that's just not seen as sort of socially normal.
Next to you, I wear a lot of colour. Is there any colours you would never wear?
I mostly lean towards greys, blacks, because it's easy to match with having such a vibrant hair colour.
That's interesting. So I always thought like black just wasn't really for me, but I have quite a vibrant hair colour, so maybe black is going to be a look. I would love if you could give me a makeover today, if that would be okay.
Absolutely, I can't wait.
Red lipstick off and black lipstick on. Wow. You know what? I don't hate it. I feel like if I was going to a bar, I would absolutely wear this. It's a look.
I think you look great. I think you look amazing in this.
Thank you.
As soon as you walk into Dundee, you'll feel that confidence take over and you'll feel great.
So I think I've actually found this a bit less anxiety-inducing than I expected. If anything, people have been really nice. Like, you've had people coming up and complimenting you.
It's definitely different to the normal experience that I get in Dundee sometimes when you have people looking at you out the side of your eye or making little comments as they walk past you. It has been really pleasant walking around.
You know what I think it is? It's the boots. Like, wearing big stompy boots just gives you confidence.
It gives you power, it gives you that, like, it just makes or breaks the look when you have a pair of really good stompy shoes, because you're owning that outfit in those boots.
I have had so much fun dressing like Kit for the day. Is this something I'm going to wear every day? Probably not, but there definitely is elements here that I would take into my own wardrobe. However, I am going to go get changed before I get the train home.